ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಿಮೆನ್, ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಕಲಿತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿನ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸೌತಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 3 ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದವರು ಈ ಮಷಿನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಗಂಡನ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಈ ಮಷೀನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿನ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಕತೆ ಆಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೊಳಿಸೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಪಾತ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೊಳಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಪಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶನೇ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is HSW Turbo 1.5. This machine is made with a very precision, and this machine is for the people who already into a business. Second machine which we have launched is HSW Ultra. It's an upgraded version of most popular series of 5G, which had empowered more than 2,000 or 3,000 ladies with just the 5G machines. And it has created a revolution in the HSW, like in the single hand embroidery machines. So this is upgraded version, and in these 2 machines the customer will get 5 years limited electronic warranty. So that's the best part of the machine, and it is a more stronger, more stable and most productive giving machines. The Neo is the basic model. It is for everyone. Like, it's an affordable machine which, like, someone wants to start or someone wants to experiment the business, they can start with the Neo machines. And I'm very thankful to Pranita ji that they have came here and they have made our launch a memorable moment. And I thank to all my customers who are a part of HSW embroidery machine. If they are not there, then we can't reach over here. So I'm very much thankful to all my customers and my HSW family, especially my wife. The support of her was very I don't have a word to say about her, because she has seen my sleepless night. She has seen my eagerness, my what you say, temperament. Because sometimes nothing happens, then all the things comes to her. So I am very much thankful to her and my lovely parents. They have always supported me.
And since a lot of people are there from Tamil Nadu and Andhra as well, andariki namaskaram, ellarkum vanakkam. Very happy to be here. It's an honor to be associated with HSW Embroidery Machines. As a company, they're not just doing a business, but they're also empowering the entire country, because they're empowering the women of the country, and that's what's really important. How many entrepreneurs here? Of course, all of you are entrepreneurs. That is what makes India so vibrant, and makes every business click here, because women here have that urge to do businesses. And I was just talking to Tapan Kapadia sir just now, and he just gave me some insight, especially during COVID. I hear that so many women, when their husbands lost their jobs, they used these sewing machines, these embroidery machines, and did businesses, and they took care of companies, and they took care of their families. And I think that really touched my heart, because that is so beautiful to hear. And hats off to all those women who have really stood on their feet and supported their families during tough times, during COVID. And it's really a privilege to be here to support these women, and to be felicitating all the dealers as well. And I hear that all the machines are used for various, whether it's fashion garments, whether it's uniforms, they're everywhere and they can